Instagram is rolling out a new feature that will let users restore their deleted content. The new, recently deleted, feature will keep deleted posts for a period of 30 days on Instagram. Instagram will automatically move deleted photos, videos, Reels, IGTV videos and stories to the recently deleted folder, the company said in a blog post. All of this deleted content will stay in the folder for 30 days, after which it will be permanently deleted. As for deleted stories that are not in your archive, these will be available in the folder for up to 24 hours. You can access your deleted content by going to Settings. Account. Recently deleted. Here, you'll find photos, videos, reels and stories displayed in different tabs for each of them. You can tap on the post to restore it to your Instagram account. Instagram in the blog post also explained how it has added protections against hackers who may delete your posts. We know hackers sometimes delete content when they gain access to an account, and until now people had no way of easily getting their photos and videos back, Instagram said. Instagram users will be required to verify that they are the rightful account holder before restoring a deleted post. According to The Verge, users will have to verify through text or email to confirm that it is indeed their account. As Instagram explained, this feature can actually be helpful for situations when hackers gain control of your Instagram account, and the most common action is to delete all the posts. Still, even with that, Instagram warns that not all content will necessarily be removed from its servers straight away. It may take up to 90 days to complete the deletion process after it begins, the company clarifies. Copies of your content may remain after the 90 days in backup storage that we use to recover in the event of a disaster, software error, or other data loss event. We may also keep your information for things like legal issues, terms violations, or harm prevention efforts. You'll need to be running the latest version of Instagram on your iOS or Android device in order to find the recently deleted folder option. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thanks for watching.